The RGF extension identifies a LEGO Digital Designer model file containing virtual LEGO construction data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, or convert these LEGO digital building files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the RGF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. RGF files are model files associated with LEGO Digital Designer containing virtual LEGO brick constructions with part placements, colors, and assembly data. They define complete LEGO models built in the Digital Designer environment for visualization and building instruction generation. LEGO Digital Designer model files store brick part numbers, position coordinates, rotation angles, and color codes, referencing LEGO's extensive parts database. They define the complete assembly structure of virtual LEGO models for 3D visualization and instruction creation. An essential utility for interacting with RGF is recognized as LEGO Digital Designer by the LEGO Group. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows may open a flattened view, but real design work must be done in specialized software. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the RGF file and hit Open With. Test LEGO Digital Designer first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If your RGF file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, opening the model. Download LEGO Digital Designer, if still available from LEGO's website, or use BrickLink Studio 2.0, which imports LDD formats. Open the file to view the 3D LEGO model with all bricks, placed and colored for interactive viewing and modification. Next, generating instructions. Use BrickLink Studio to generate step-by-step building instructions from imported LEGO models. Configure instruction layout, page size, and visual style. Export instructions as PDF for printing and sharing with other LEGO builders. Finally, ordering parts. BrickLink Studio integrates with the BrickLink Marketplace for ordering real LEGO parts matching your digital model. Generate a parts list and check availability and pricing. Order the exact bricks needed to build your virtual creation in physical LEGO. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.